Exploring the phrase, rock dust. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into an interesting phrase in the English language, rock dust. Have you ever come across this term and wondered what it means? Let's unpack it together. Firstly, let's split the phrase into its individual words. 1. Rock. A solid mineral material that forms part of the surface of the Earth and other similar planets. 2. Dust. Fine, dry powder consisting of tiny particles of earth or waste matter lying on the ground or on surfaces. By combining these definitions, we can deduce that rock dust would refer to a fine powder that comes from rocks. Rock dust is commonly used in the context of gardening or agriculture. It's a product made from finely crushed rock and is added to soil to improve its quality. The minerals from the rock help enrich the soil, making it more fertile and beneficial for plant growth. Imagine grinding a rock into a fine powder and sprinkling it over your garden. That's essentially what gardeners are doing with rock dust. There are other terms related to rock dust that you might come across. For instance, 1. Stone dust, similar to rock dust, but it's specifically from crushed stone. 2. Volcanic rock dust, a type of rock dust that comes from volcanic rocks, known to be rich in certain minerals. 3. Mineralization, a process where rock dust is used to add minerals back into depleted soil. Understanding these related phrases can help you get a clearer picture of the various uses and types of rock dust. There you have it. Rock dust is not just about rocks and dust. It's a term with specific significance, especially in the world of gardening. We hope this video shed some light on its meaning and usage. Keep exploring the English language, and happy learning!